In the last video, we looked at simple compounds and working out the formulae. So things like sodium chloride. Compounds that only contain two elements. However, you would have come across more complicated compounds, things like sodium sulphate perhaps, or potassium nitrate. So how do we deal with those? These compounds contain three different elements in them. Well, you need to know these five ions, and that will make your life a lot easier. The first one is sulphate. Sulphate is, you can think of it as a group of sulfur and oxygen getting together to form their own ion. Sulphate is SO4 2 minus. So that is one sulfur, four oxygens all getting together, and together overall they have a 2 minus charge. Nitrate is NO3 minus. Carbonate, CO3 2 minus. Hydroxide is an oxygen and a hydrogen, and they have a minus charge. And ammonium is the only positive one. It's NH4 plus. So you can see that each of these have got two different elements in them, and they have an overall charge. So let's have a look at how we deal with them when building up formulae. So the first example we look at is sodium nitrate. From the last video, we know that sodium has a charge of Na+. Nitrate, we've just found out, is NO3 minus. So we have one plus and one minus, so nice and easy. Sodium nitrate is NaNO3. So how about magnesium nitrate now? Well, magnesium we know is Mg2 plus, and nitrate is NO3 minus. So I've only got one minus, but I've got two pluses. So I need another minus, NO3 minus. So I've got two of these, but how can I represent that in a formula? I need to use brackets. So you do Mg, and then the nitrate part you put in brackets, NO3, close bracket, twice. And that's telling me I've got two NO3s. Anything in the bracket is multiplied by 2. Right, potassium sulphate now. Potassium is K plus, and sulphate is SO4 2 minus. So 2 minuses here, but only one plus, so I need another plus. So I've got two Ks, K2, followed by SO4. Right, so ammonium chloride now. Ammonium is NH4 plus. Chloride, Cl minus. So again, this is nice and easy. I've got one minus, one plus, so they cancel each other out to give me NH4Cl. Finally then, ammonium sulphate. Ammonium, NH4 plus. Sulphate, SO4 2 minus. So two minuses here, but only one plus, so I need another plus, NH4 plus. So now I've got two pluses and two minuses. So now I need to put the NH4 in brackets to show I've got two of them, followed by the SO4. And that is ammonium sulphate.